Hello dear students, good morning everyone. This is the first lecture related to class 10 physics. First chapter, that is reflection of light. In this chapter, today we will discuss about the concept of light and also what is reflection. What is reflection? Just before starting the reflection concept, we want to inform you about light. Just listen very carefully. What is light? Light is a form of energy. You all are knowing that what? Light is a form of energy and that help us to see any object. That help us to see any object. With the help of light, we can see any object by the reflection process, and in some cases by refraction, but in first chapter that is only reflection. So in reflection, the concept of light here, that is light having some special property, that is electromagnetic waves, and light also having dual nature. Dual nature means light behaves as particle as well as behaves as wave. Wave means having some magnitude of just like wavelength, or you say that some frequency and the time period to repeat itself. And then after, in particle nature, light having mass, momentum, and so on. So particle nature, that is on behalf of photon, and very easy concept, that light we have to study here the visible part. Which part? That is the visible part. Visible part having some wavelength concept. Just see 4000 angstrom to 8000 angstrom. This is the wavelength criteria of visible light. And here angstrom is what? 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. Clear? This is the range of visible light wavelength. And light, whenever travels from one medium to another medium, then their speeds changes, but due to its nature, that is what? Electromagnetic wave, no medium required for its traveling, or you say that for its propagation. You can say that simply light travels from one medium to other medium, or travel in vacuum also. So you have to understand about the concept of light in the terms of reflection. How reflect? Let's see here a mirror, and the mirror means the two surface. First, that is lies on front, and second, that is lies on back. This is the back portion, and this is the front portion. And by front portion, the light get reflected. The light get, this is mirror, and mirror here, that is plane mirror. In plane mirror, the concept that back side silver coated and red painted, and the front side means what? That is the glass, transparent. Whenever front side then transparent, then back side whenever painted with silver coated and then red painted, then that becomes what? Plane mirror. And when the light comes back to this surface, then after striking, light rays send in that medium. Suppose this is the plane mirror, This is the plane mirror, and here this one portion, that is what? Back portion. This is back portion, means that is painted portion, and painted just after silver coating. Clear? And this is the reflected surface, reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. Clear? When light rays comes, just see, then after striking the plane surface, then comes back, or you say that retrace in the same medium, retrace in the same medium, but not the same path. Having path is different. Here this is the incident path and this is the reflected path, but in the same medium. So when light comes back after striking the plane surface, then that concept is what? Reflection of light. Reflection of light. You see reflection here. Reflection of light means what? That is bouncing back of light from plane surface. Bouncing back of light. Bouncing back. Of light. Bouncing back of light from plane surface. From plane surface is defined as reflection of light. Is defined as reflection of light. Clear? Very easy concept. Just see again. Here this is the plane mirror, and plane mirror front portion by which reflection occurs, and the back portion that is silver coated. And how the plane mirror constructed? Just a transparent glass sheet, and front portion just leave same, and the back portion only silver coated, and then after silver coating red painted, then the plane mirror is ready for reflection. And when the light ray is striking this plane mirror, then after just striking, sending in the same medium, that is what? This process is what? Reflection of light. And just for reflection of light by plane mirror, the few points that is very important for clear understanding. And the few points are, just listen one by one. Number one, the point of incidence. The point of incidence. The see, I will explain one by one clearly. Point of incidence. Clear? Point of incidence. This one point where the incident ray and reflected ray, meet. That point is what? Point of incidence. And second one, incident ray of light. Incident ray of light means the light rays that incident towards plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. And the light ray that is here naming AO is the incident ray. AO is the incident ray that incident towards the plane mirror. The ray which incident towards the plane mirror, that is what? Incident ray. And second one is reflected ray. Reflected ray of light. Let's see what is reflected. Just after striking the plane surface, the ray that going away from plane mirror, this is OB, the ray which is going away from plane mirror, that is what? Reflected ray. The ray which is sending back in the same medium. Here the medium is what? That is air. The medium is air and this one is glass. Clear? And when the light ray is sending back in the same medium by the plane mirror, that ray is what? Reflected ray. And two more terms. Number one, that is normal. Normal is the perpendicular line. The perpendicular line that draws on plane mirror or plane surface that makes an angle of 90 degree. Makes an angle of 90 degree. That is normal. Here this ON is normal, that makes an angle of 90 degree with the glass surface. Here glass that is constructed in the form of plane mirror. So angle with plane mirror, this line ON, that is what? Normal. And next one, angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Let's see the angle between the incident ray, this one angle, the angle between the incident ray and normal, the angle between the incident ray and normal, that is angle of incidence. Clear? Here that is angle AON, angle AON. Clear? That is angle of incidence. And angle of reflection, the angle between the reflected ray, the angle between the reflected ray and normal, that is angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Clear? The angle between the reflected ray, that is OB, and the normal, that is ON. Here is the angle. That angle is what? Angle of reflection. So angle BON or NOB. Clear? All these terms are very important for understanding the concept. That is, just after this point we will discuss in next lecture, that is laws of reflection. So whenever all the terms are clear related to plane mirror, then the concept of laws of reflection will be very easy. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.